Come here, Russell.
Russell, there is it. Russell, you're going to eat it. Akere, that is what you are selling to the people. Eat it, Russell. Eh, Baba. Eat it. Not take it. You are going to eat it. Eat it, Russell. Pick it up. Eat your food.
Russell is a worm.
Eat
I
it.
don't know what
No, you don't expect your own food. Pick it up, eat it. You are not going. No, you are busy selling rotten food to our people. Russell, eat your rubbish.
Little worms inside. Russell, she ate it already.
Eat. Hey Baba. Hey Baba.
No.
Hey Baba. Don't invite trouble for you. Don't invite trouble. Eat it, Russell. Nichwaela gabi nini. Eat your food. Eat your worms.
See the worms there.
Oh, here are your worms. Here.
No, I see there.
Here.
See the worms.
Here. You see, eat it, Russell.
I'm sorry for that.
They ate it. They ate it. Those ladies ate it.
She ate it already.
They ate that food. Eat it, Russell.
She's sick now.
Russell, you're going to eat it.
Russell,
This
I
food.
told you, who's that other shop Shanchuddin? I told him the other day the same thing. I don't care whether you are Muslim like me, but whatever it is,
Hey, Baba,
I never
eat
robbed
good
anyone,
lawak.
I
Eat.
never sold anyone this thing.
Eat,
Your religion doesn't
Pick up,
do that
eat.
story.
Pick up, eat. Hey, la.
No,
You,
I want to
no,
see this.
you eat it, yeah.
I didn't see this.
No,
I
I'm saying
I
eat
didn't
it.
See the
Chief,
one there.
I'm saying eat it.
I didn't see that
Eat
one.
it.
No.
They've already eaten it. Eat it. Eat your food.
Okay.
No, this is your stuff. Eat it. You are making money out of it. Now you are going to eat it. You eat it, Russell. You eat it. I don't want to touch you, ne? If I can touch you, I'll make you a mincemeat. You'll be finished.
That one I saw them there.
Eat it.
So what I can
Eat your money.
What is that?
This is your money. This is the money that you are making. Now you are eating a profit, ne? Eat. Kubeka, eat. No. Eat, Baba. Eat. Eat your things. Eat. Then you'll tell us. Eat. Swallow it. You are not going to spill it out.
Not good.
It is not good. It must be good for